Do you know, even when you were a kid, you had a hardness about you?
I cut my teeth on people like you.
You're nothing but a fucked up little girl who's trying to save the world.
You don't have to pretend with me.
I mean, the fucker who put me in here.
I'm trained to deal with all types, even those who appear to have their shit together.
You could appeal.
Or I could fly to the fucking moon.
Plenty of people have tried to help Frankie. They have all failed.
Aid and abet. That could get you 10 years.
You have to charge me.
When I was a kid, I was the victim. I was Karen. But I refused to let that be my story. We are the red right hand.
You do realise that falsely accusing corrections personnel, that carries very serious consequences, yeah?
You've just been demoted, Nance.
You truly are a cunt. Yes, I am a lesbian.
I love it too.
Take me a picture. I don't know what you think you can achieve other than death.
You're fucking psychotic!
To get justice, sometimes you need to cross a line. You could be out in 2 days, or dead in 1.
You compromised yourself and you compromised me. I went out on a limb to have you reinstated.
I just so you know, I don't bear you any ill will at all about what happened.
Just so you know, I do.
I'll visit you. I'll wait for you.
And what if you're waiting forever?
Well, then I'll wait forever.
As your friend, very, very careful.
Just be in the moment and see how you feel. Because if you've fallen for someone, then fuck the labels.